Speed of NQ67.
The night beckons while you dream. A life never lives in peace.
Mic check.
As you stand upon the edge, woven by a single thread.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Down upon you, while the devil is knocking right at your door.
Speed of NQ65.
Welcome aboard, everyone. What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
You are the way.
Michael Oates Group. Are you ready? Let's get hype on a Friday. Let's play this game.
Speed of NQ.
Welcome back. If you are new with us, you've been missing out. My name is Vinny Emini. I'll be your host, and I will show you how I use the AlgoBox system. We got some new tools on the screens there for you. It's going to be exciting. The market has just opened up into a candy day for us. Those grindy trend days are over for now. Let's go. We talk about this on a regular basis, how the market runs in these cadences. There are certain series of events that occur, they come with a frequency, and then they shift, and that's generally how traders get warped, get offsides. But if you anticipate it, know it exists, which is what I teach you, then perhaps you can take advantage to know, okay, well, it's been a couple grindy, tough days, so we're looking for a good one. Unfortunately, what most traders do is they get into a struggle slump and they don't realize the market is shifting and they don't have a way to adapt, and AlgoBox allows us to adapt. So let's get to it. Today I am down here on the ones for the fun. Enigma has been the name of the game all the way from this morning, from the first leader account 4K to up over $9,000. I am just a hair shy over $500 away from 10K. So let's get some 10K hype up in the chat. Make sure you smash that like button before we get going. If you are new with us and want to get started in our training, there's the training video there posted inside of the chat. Thanks, Eddie, for reminding us. Don't forget to turn off your real-time protection. If you are a gamer, you need to know that that is something you... Whoops, let me set my ATM here. So I am close to the $400 superstition, but not quite. So I'm going to go small.
Touch NQ on the 38.
And I'm going to go 5 small because we've got risk on our side, because I am almost at 10K here today.
100.
That looks like a potential double cross, double move here scenario here. So I'm going to dip toe in here and see if I can get a measure out. I need to get my F8 tool here and get a measure between those crosses. There's the golden line right up there for that targeting. Top and stop underneath the alpha omega cross here. Double cross, double move, DCDM play up to looking for that gold line target. And if it doesn't work out, oh, there is the first alpha omega push after a move. I need to get my stop back behind that. Okay, I don't believe this is going to go straight down forever. I'm going to go and put on a little bit of risk right here. Punch in on the stack 30, so I got control here. Finger over, buy and sell here. halves, etc.,
Speed
etc.
of NQ52.
Nope. Okay. Breaking out behind that cross, so would like to be able to see that back to that. Oh, I'm going to take a full stop. Oh, full. Whoa, whoa. First trade. Okay, and then they give me an alpha omega right there at the end. Of course.
Target.
Tough first play out the gate is a middle finger. What time is it? It's 3:07. So top of the hour there catches me offsides there on that very first play. Coming into the bottom of that channel, let's see if that alpha omega is going to hold for me to push me up. Currently moderate buy on the MACV Ultimate.
Speed of NQ101. Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ53.
Okay, that sell supply is coming in here. We are currently shorts favorable here, so don't want to test it out too much there, and already got slapped down on the DCDM play. No go. First alpha omega after an up move. Didn't hit. This one doesn't look like it, so we may be looking to the short side here. Currently, MACV Ultimate still sitting at green, but we just shifted there. So let's look. Historically, we have been on the red side. This is the first touch in a while back to green, but it has been both sides of the fence here. So we're going to be looking for the plays. I'm just going to play out what we see in front of us. And I've got the Enigma turned on full auto here. I'm going to size up because, again, we are at the end of the day on a Friday, and I am well up on the day, so I'm going to increase my size as I have earned the risk. Crack of the cipher. I'll take a shot at it now that we came back with another cross on the supply.
DCDM NQ on the
Yikes. Okay, cross at the top of a zone. Could pop back inside halfway. Got my finger over the close if we break those crosses. Punch in stack 20. Okay. Leaving a runner up to that target there. Let's see if it's going to go to the gold line target. Target's filled. So that play there was a break of the structure. First, we had continued to collect. Accumulation is completed. We come in, we've got a harmonic structure that should be obeyed if we are going to be pushing back down. It immediately got broken with AudioBox. We're not just playing it without it. AudioBox comes in for the push. That's my first entry. Shows another cross for me. Now it's a DCDM. So now I can push out my target to what? The gold line. Sorry, I'm drawing all over here. It's a little bit too Too big, too big.
Speed of NQ63.
All the way up to that target line. Beautiful. All drawn out for us here with the AlgoBox. Yeah, let's go 10K, Shlomo. You got a free hand, definitely smash that like button. It's a Friday. You know sharing is caring. Okay, let's see how it reacts to this 10. A 10 is generally a continuation, so I do want to get an extension for that. I've got two opportunities there for
Upper bands touch
that. I'm
NQ
going to press
on the 38.
F8 from the bottom here to the 10, and from the little miniature one right there. Two spots there. GLR, gold line reversal opportunities,
Speed of
if we push up
NQ87.
into them.
Speed of NQ87.
Let me get you guys big zoomed in here because there's some small lines there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38.
All right, here's king timing. Bottom of a channel. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ100.
So we know that gold line. So first of all, this gold line already touched, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pull it. The other gold line was so close to this one. I've already got an eyeball spot there, so I'm just cleaning up the chart there. I've got two gold line targets up above me. This one already got touched, pulled down, so it's already been tapped. That one's off the menu. Now the only other one left is this green significant level right there, already pre-drawn for us. We got the open up above us. So are they going to close the week in positive territory? That's generally what they're going to do on a Friday. Get everybody, put them into hopium. The big dogs have sold off a lot. Now they're going to push it up, leave it just over the open to close. So if I had to pick right now, you put a gun to my head and say, what's it going to do? I think we're going to settle at the end of day here. Remember, we're in the final hour right above this dashed line, which would be above the open, which would close them on a Friday in positive territory. Now, as it closes at 4 o'clock, then it could immediately thereafter just start to sell off like crazy. After they have gone up, we closed in the positive territory, and then they'll put it all over the CNBC News, blah, 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 blah. So that is my current position on thinking through the narrative. Also, we barely missed the prior close. We never actually touched it. Look, we got real close to it here. Prior close just sitting up there just saying, come sniff me out, right? So those are the things that I'm thinking currently that I see from the big picture perspective. Now, do I really care? Not so much, because I'm playing down here grabbing bags on the lowest time frames, right? Jesse James, you're loving the big zoom in? Love to hear that.
Speed of NQ78.
Yeah, almost looked like a Richie there, Martin, because of that big up-down move. Looks like a middle finger there, but it didn't quite come all the way down to this level here for it to be a Richie. Just a fake out, collect, move up, collect, move up. We have a clear zone laid out for ourselves now, though, so let's go ahead and draw that in. And we got a cross coming in at the top of it, so we'll see. I'm going to make it nice and bright. Double cross at the top of the zone. I'll short back inside. Double cross at the bottom of the zone. I'll go back up inside. Target for a double cross reversal at the top or bottom of a zone. Target 1 is the middle of the zone. Target 2 is the opposite side if we're with the favorable direction. Remember, currently still on the day, favorable direction is short. However, it is Friday. We've got the open just above us. I actually think currently this should be shifted and it should be to the long side. We're going to stick with whatever the MACV Ultimate is telling us right here. This is going to be our best plays. Right now, I should really be buys only. I'm going to, just to prove it, I'm going to turn off shorts even for myself. I want long onlys right now with the MACV Ultimate. Keep that open line in my sight here. And adjust my chart so I can see it nice and juicy. Okay, cross one. Bottom of the zone. We need a second one. Maybe we'll be able to play on it. I don't play things individually. Okay, let's see if this chart gets obeyed. Yes, so still harmonic movement. No break.
Speed of NQ88. Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Down divergence coming in on the 9 there. So let's push him down. Let's see what happens here at this large king timing zone. Love to get an Enigma in there to the long side, pop and run, be amazing.
Speed of NQ56. DCDM NQ on the 1.
Okay, there's, oh, that's 2 crosses. 2 cross. I'm gonna take a stab at that. Also know I have a gold line target down below me that I can use as a target up. Other side of the zone is right about there. It's a little bit too squished for me. I need to pull this up here so I can see it. Okay, well, we know the open line's way up there, so I'm just gonna put it right here so I can see things. Would prefer that that double cross show up down here, but sometimes they come close to the bottom of the zone as they start to squeeze these things in. It kind of shapes up like a wedge. In this case, it's still at the bottom of a channel. This is my auto regulator drawing this in here for me. Okay, another cross showing up right here into the crosses. Okay, lots of crosses showing up here. Hopefully that's my push up. Nope, stopping out under the crosses. Okay, there's my gold line targets, and there comes the cross right on the gold line target, trying for that little pop-up reversal here for 10 ticks.
Target filled.
Speed
Target
of NQ
filled.
112. Speed of NQ 112.
Another cross.
Target filled.
clusters of crosses coming in here. So let's see. I'm going to try to close out manually on this position. Need to see it crack that butterfly. Nope, butterfly still holding.
Speed of NQ55.
Get up there. Thank you. How rude. They're not going to finish me off there. I knew you could do it. Beautiful. So, cluster of crosses just below a zone. Cluster. Clusters are reversals, right? Two crosses. Okay, that's part one. Part two, they want to push it. More guys start getting in the way there. Start like, I want some, I want some, I want some, I want some. Cool, collect, 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 collect. Now let's run it back the other way after a trap. When it looks like it's coming down, trap is set into a cluster. Boom, we move big, big ups all the way to the other side of the zone. Now, why do we hold it all the way to the zone? Because MACV Ultimate is green. Now, would I do that if we were going against that? No. If that was red, we're just going halfway into the zone. Everybody makes sense? Everybody understand that? Get it? Type of 1. If you don't, type of 2. So here's how the business is shaped up here so far here today. Oops, I should hit generate. There we go. Trying to get to our 10K. Let's see if we're gonna. We got time. Got enough time. Do we have enough time to get to 10K? What's our time? 3:24. Plenty of time.
Speed of NQ65. Speed of NQ65.
Okay, top of the zone. I saw no crosses. So if nobody's filling up there, that means it is thin air up here, right? Thin air. So what do I tell you when it's thin air? We come back in, we dip, we go pick some up, then we run and we know we've got nothing up above us. So now they can go and do that trap. If they trap it down here, my current thought on a narrative is come down in here, pick me up with some big size. I need alpha omega, some kind of crosses, something. Enigma would be amazing. And then we can run that sucker up and up and up and up and up and up, and everybody keeps trying to short it, keep trying to short it. They want to make it. They've got to tell everybody it's going short first, though. They got to really like give them the juice, like, oh yeah, everybody, we're going short, and then they can march that thing all the way up while everybody keeps pressing the short button. Yes, price exploration, exactly, Dallas. And they pushed it up there, and nobody came. So they're like, cool, we know nobody's up there. Let's move it back the other way. Let's set the trap first. Get everybody looking short. That way they would know, because like right now they've gone, okay, we're clear, okay? But they don't want to just make it that easy, because then everybody starts jumping in long. They don't want a bunch of people getting in their way. So let's run it down first. So everybody's like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. They need a 4-legged dog trap. 4-legged dog trap. There you go. 4-legged dog trap. Everybody's like, oh, let's move down 4 legs. Okay, it's not going back up again. And then they're like, okay, I'm going to go short here now. Okay, feeling it good. Okay, I'm going short. And then boom. Their buy orders sit right up here, and then they're buying into it, pushing them on up, and they're not going the other way. They're not going to put a sell order in front of their move up. Make sense? That is the idea. Current narrative, and we've got 3 minutes till the bottom of the hour. BTFD in 30 minutes. Okay, there's a nice slide leg, right? There it is, slide leg down. Now everybody's looking short. They're like, all right, everybody's short, everybody's short. Cool, cool.
Speed of NQ
Now,
63.
I want to look for that trap, and then I want to start to see the stair step up, and there it is, perfect timing. 2-minute warning, here it comes. This little yellow region, if you have this turned on our system, this is going to give you the 2-minute warning. This is going to, for 2 minutes, give you a nice yellow background. You can change that to whatever you want. I use yellow for warning. The warning is now coming to say, hey, here we go. Okay, there's the inverted check mark. There's a structure. I got my finger over the buy here. I'm going to go naked.
Pip.NQ on the 38.
$30 seconds to BTFD. Okay, that should get everybody convinced. There's my cross. I need to press buy. There we go. Okay, finally, there's the first cross. There's that supply, right? That's okay. That should be a set of retail hopping in right there. Trap 1. Cool. They're trapped. We've got them here from before. Here comes the size. Now, this would, you know, in the past, this would catch me off sides. It'd be like, oh yeah, this looks real deep now. Okay, I'm gonna jump in. I'm jumping in now. It's about to fall out. I'm in. I'm going. Here comes king timing. Got my finger over the buy. King timing. Another cross. I mean, right now, every retailer is looking short, right?
NQ89.
Everybody's like, this thing's gone way, way up. Cool. We've been down all day. I'm going to go grab that short. I think we're going to set a trap. It's going to be really embarrassing if I'm wrong here. Okay, there's a buy supply. There we go. Okay, and we got a crack of structure. Oof, it didn't crack. Okay, there it goes. I was like, please crack that. Need to start seeing some crack of red structures with AlgoBox. There's the first one. First crack right there on the shark with AlgoBox. That's a good sign for me. Okay, there's people adding to the position right there now. People are like, okay, okay, well, it's come against me. I'm gonna add to my position. It looks like it's going down. It's gonna go. Been there, done it. Okay, there they go. Pressing it again. That should get everybody in. There's king timing. Add to position against it.
Speed of NQ69. Speed of NQ69.
Well, then turn it around.
DCDM NQ on the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1. Enigma long on the NQ1.
Okay, she just got me in big to the long side. I forgot about having that on. Whoops. Yikes, did not want to be that big. Not yet.
Speed of NQ63.
Hoping to take off half up there on those gold line targets up above. Also, the Enigma target is also sitting there in that blue dash line. Okay, I'm up over my 10K. Make sure I'm not playing too greedy here. That's so straight up that it's likely going to make a turn back first before we make a run. I want to make sure I clean up 10K before we really start making a move. Okay, I'm up 11.5. Leave 5 for the run. And I'm going to use my add stop button. Boom! Look at that. And I'm going to stick it behind the Enigma. Let her go.
I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing
Speed of NQ57.
AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move, and you say follow and play along. AlgoBox, it's true.
Speed of NQ70. Speed of NQ70.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late. AlgoBox, it's too late. It's too late.
Yes, 330 is always BTFD. Yes. Well, it's also STFU, but go watch the videos.
Speed of NQ84. Enigma long on the NQ1.
I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox and never miss the game.
Targets filled.
This baby, I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting.
Speed of NQ74.
Cause I'm shiny boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe. I'm sorry how you flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near. Feel alone.
Speed of NQ56. Finger NQ on the 38.
Ruh-roh. Boo. You're gonna stick me at 11K? No crosses. Empty of crosses. Wait for it.
Speed of NQ80.
Okay, now everybody snags in short right there. Now give me a cross. Even better, a moonshot here would be amazing. Look at this cluster of large king timings coming up. It's gonna be juicy. Left hand buy, right hand sell. a new bar on the 89.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Did not finish that 89 bar. Be very careful here. It could snag down one more. It did not finish off and give us, it did not finish that 89 bar. So unless it totally pin bars and pushes the run up here.
Speed of NQ 97.
I was waiting for that to snag a new bar before I could pop in. Let's see. Just wait for plays. $3:43, 7 minutes, actually 44 now, 6 minutes until the 350 algo on a Friday. Okay, look up top here. Here's the white line right here. Here's the last big set that came in right here. They're on that line. They're sitting. Let's see if they push.
Fib.NQ on the 38.
I think they go. No. Yikes. No go. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. Oh, just didn't want to get under that. Okay. Didn't close it fast enough. That is right at the top of that zone. Right here. That's the white line right there.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
And Enigma long. You know I gotta try that.
Target NQ 71.
Thank you very much. Okay, getting trickier here, harder in the afternoon here. It's been so easy all day. They're gonna make this end difficult. It's gonna be the intraday cadence.
Speed of NQ 79.
Okay, we're at the bottom of the zone on the high time frame up here, top left. Look, we're touching right here. Let's see if we see something on the lower time frame come in right here. Let's see if they fake it. And Break it up here. We've got 3 minutes till the 350 algo. Just waiting for something to give me an entry down here. We're at the bottom of the channel. Here comes king timing. New bar on the 89, finally. Okay, new bar. And there's the 2-minute warning coming in. 2-minute yellow background warning, 2 minutes before the 350 algo. Level 15. Coming in on the ones. One minute. Yikes. 1 minute till the 350. I might be getting into a smoke point. I'm gonna close it. Cracked that cross down below. I'm in my $400 superstition now, right here. Right there. Right there. This is the level right here. When they come back through this, this is where I will get in. Big if we turn it right here. 350 algo in 30 seconds. I'm gonna switch over to bigger. Okay, here comes the 350 algo. 20 seconds. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ 100 lower band on the 9 NQ on the 38.
So looking now to the market on close imbalance. S&P 500, 780 million
Lower
to the buy
band
side.
NQ on the
Nasdaq
38.
100, 1 billion to the buy side. Dow 30 to sell side of 70 billion on Mag 7 stocks.
DCB and NQ on the 38.
Buy side.
Okay, gold line touch. Looking to buy. There's a cluster. There's a 3 wise man. Come on up. Break that white line. Break it. Ooh, double at the top.
Speed of NQ 704. Speed of NQ 75.
Pop up into that shark.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Touch NQ on the 38.
Trying to go. We want to stop behind this cluster.
Enigma long on the NQ.
And Enigma long with the moonshot. Come on, baby. Don't let me down now. It's Friday. Let's go. Oh, oh. Get there. Get there. Okay, Enigma target is in. Do we have any more? Is there any more left in it?
Target.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 38. DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 194.
Let's go. Get up there, baby. Get up there, baby. All right, I'm going to close it on that target. 12K on the day. I am good with that right there. You got to love the beast.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Not the algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead.
Yeah, Martin, hang here to the end. I'll talk about that. That's a great topic to end on. We will cover that topic right there. Dear Vinny, can you explain more about the new bar and what you see, conclusion of the bar, fill out or not, all that kind of fun stuff. Oh shoot! I've still got full auto turned on. Yikes. Okay, well, this could be a mistake. Ah, can't believe I left that turned on. I'm gonna let her show off. Target 1. Targets fill. Let's make it 13.5K. I mean, why not? I mean, why not? Let the Enigma do her thing. Beautiful.
DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 222.
There's the business today. If you missed this morning's live stream, there was a lot of good learning from this morning as well. Last 2 days, really, especially around those difficult, grindy trend days, how to use AlgoBox to read and determine when and where those are. And all right, so let's cover this topic here. Dear Vinny, can you explain more about the new bar and what you see, conclusion of the bar fill out? That has to do with the higher time frames. Usually it can either happen on the tide chart or on the week's
touch NQ on
wave chart. This week, currently on the NASDAQ, it is the 38 range. Now, if you don't know about how we get those optimized ranges, we put those out every Monday. That is us internally optimizing that on our servers, and we push that out to our members so that you can put those into your system to feed the lower time frames and get some really cool plays off of that wave level chart. Now, when a new bar forms, remember, again, like, I'm not a big, oh, the markets are fractals guy, okay, but listen, the markets are fractal, okay? And so inside of each one of these bars, if you go back to my videos where I'm talking about what happens inside of an individual bar, looking at one bar, what is going on here? They're on an 89 range. That means there is 89 ticks of range from the top to the bottom of a bar. And if it includes a wick or not, again, we really like these range bars because they give you opportunities to code better. You can code quantitatively with a lot more accuracy on range bars and custom bars like what we do, which is why we do not use time bars in our formulas. Though we use time, in fact, our system continuously optimizes every 4 minutes, which is why our system is so amazing, quite frankly. In my opinion, obviously. You may beg to differ, but hey, put your money where your mouth is. Speaking of putting their money where their mouth is, from what I heard, Dakota has at least verbally accepted our challenge for July. Is that true? So somebody verify that, but Dakota, he's one of the trainers for Top Step, would like to do a friendly competition, which I'm super excited about. This might be one of the few and only competitions I've ever done where there was no death threats from people involved, where they didn't threaten my family and threaten to kill my children and my wife and everything else because, because quite frankly, they suck. But yeah, Dakota seems like a nice person. He's got his own thing. He's running with Top Step, so he's not really shilling a educational service product from what I understand. And at the same time, they're claiming that he's the best. Come on. Come on. The best? Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Wait a minute. See, I mean, I'm sorry, but I've already claimed that position, my friend, and I've proven it over and over again. I don't think so. So I'm here to defend my title as the greatest trader online. So Mr. Dakota has stepped up to the plate. In July, I'll be doing a small account challenge against him. Oh, we just got a beautiful headshot. I'm sorry, moonshot coming in. Look at this. Let's see if it goes. There's the check mark. Is it gonna hold? I think it's gonna hold. I think it's gonna hold. Is it gonna hold? I think it's gonna hold. All right, there's 2 minutes before the close, but yes, someone has stepped up to the plate to go, hey, yeah, I'll take a challenge, so that'll be fun. Either way, both parties get some notoriety, get to see some people do some stuff, and hey, competition is fun, right? So, we're on, but, wow, it's a little bit loud. Let me turn that down a little bit.
NQ on the 38.
Let's see if that gets all the way up to the Enigma target. It's pretty close already. End of day, so things can get really wild there in the last 2 minutes, so we'll see. But yeah, so end of a bar. I like to turn on the new bar notifier. If you right click, go to indicators. It is only an audio cue, this one right here, new bar notifier. You can make that whatever sound you want, but I like to know when it's done.
Lower band
And to pop it in. Oh, look, I gotta turn some things off. Auto scale needs to go off. Displaying. Yeah, come on, Vinny. You're a noob, bro. Noob. This is just eating up precious resources that don't need to be eaten up. Have anything else with that turned on? Oh man, look at this. How did I not turn all this stuff off? I thought I turned this off all the other day. Apparently not. Well, give me a moment. We're gonna turn all this stuff off. Oh, sorry, I'm showing you guys the wrong screen. Sorry, new bar notifier. Right here, and you can make that whatever sound you want. We've got the new bar wave. It basically just says new bar, and I want to know when that occurs. Visually, though, you can kind of tell when a bar is about to finish out. Let's come down here to the screen that I thought we were on, so we can take a peek a little bit closer. So I'm looking at this 89 chart here, and oh yeah, there's that up move. And another moonshot at the bottom, pushing it all the way up. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I feel sorry for Mr. Dakota. I hope he's not resting on his necessity to feel like he's going to continue to hold on to his personal title of, you know, I'm the best trader. What, from the Top Step guy telling him that? Bro. Jokes, bro. Jokes. You got good jokes. I mean, when Patrick Wieland and Trades by Matt is leaving your ass, come on, bro. Top Step's got issues. They've got issues. All right, so we're going to take them up in that competition in July, small account challenge, or, again, if they want to go big account, I don't even know. Like, they haven't given specifics about the details of it, and, of course, the nice, generous person that I am, I'll do whatever they want to do. They want to do a big account, I'll do a big account. They want to do a small account, we'll do a small account. So even if he wants to do a big account, I promise you guys, I owe you guys a small account challenge. I told you guys I was going to do one this year. We did one 3 years ago in July against Ross Cameron. Very educational for a lot of people because you can trade a large account differently than you can trade a small account, as you guys know. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday. Thanks for coming and hanging out. Don't forget, the Father's Day offer is expiring tonight at midnight. This is the last time to get Enigma before July the 1st. On July the 1st, we are going to put out a new release that will not include Enigma going forward. If you got the Enigma, kudos to you. There's going to be Enigma Mug Club. I will catch you guys on Monday. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbox, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B, I am sending out Big H-Town, Big H-Town, Big H-Town on Friday. See ya. Art team, show them how it's done.
Nvidia's 2-day 6 spot 7%.
Yeah, shit it.
$22 billion.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Speed up
Don't waste your time.
NQ124.
Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game. HINDSIGHT.